Hello students, we are in the fourth unit which is physical education and sports for children with special need. In this unit, we already discussed about the concept of disability and disorder. Today, we are going to learn about the types of disabilities. So let's start. Types of disabilities are three, in which first is cognitive disability, intellectual disability and physical disability, in which first cognitive disability is divided in three parts: memory disorder, hyperactivity and dyslexia or dyslexia. So first type of disability is cognitive disability. Cognitive disability is related with nervous system. It is a neurological disorder that creates hindrance or distraction for an individual to store, process, or produce information. It means a person cannot store and produce the information, and the person facing cognitive disability, they can face problem in reading, communication, speaking, or writing. Here, three types of cognitive disabilities are: first is memory disorder. Memory disorder is related with the memory, in which an individual face problem or difficulty in remembering something that he heard, said or saw before sometimes. It means it is a memory loss problem. Children just remember that movie Gajni, in which he was having a short-term memory loss. That kind of diseases are the cognitive disabilities, in which they cannot remember what they did after few time. Next is hyperactivity. Hyperactivity means a person faces problem to pay attention for a longer time period in a particular task. An individual with cognitive disability may not have attention for a long time period. He finds it difficult to stay at one place. It means they cannot stand, they cannot sit, they cannot pay attention towards one topic for a long time period. They face problem in this. Their mind diverts very easily, right? The next cognitive disability is dyslexia, or you can read this dyslexia. An individual with cognitive disability may exhibit dyslexia. It means he may have difficulty in reading, writing and speaking. The children or the person who are facing this disability, they face problem in reading, writing and speaking ability. They feel agitation in talking with others. They cannot write the words properly, they cannot read the things properly, etc. In the example of this disability, you can remember the movie Tare Zameen Par, in which the boy Darshil was having this kind of problem, dyslexia, right? Next disability is intellectual disability. You can get the symptoms by the name only, intellectual. It means in which a person lost intellectual power. It means they cannot solve any problem very easily. They face problem in this to solve any problem, to find new ways. Okay, let's discuss. It is a disability characterized by significant limitations, both intellectual functioning and adaptive behavior. They face problem in reasoning ability. They don't have reasoning ability in them, problem solving they also face problem in reading, learning problem, and they cannot solve the things very easily. This is the main characteristic of the intellectual disability. The next one is physical disability. In the physical disability, there will be limitations on individuals' physical functioning, mobility, dexterity or stamina. If a person, suppose if a person is having hands or legs but they are not working properly, that time that condition is called physical disability. If you are facing problem to see something, you are facing some senses related problems, that is also called physical disability. We can divide in this disability into two parts: motor deficiency and sensory impairment. Motor disability is that in which a person cannot work with their hands and legs properly, and in this sensory impairment, the working efficiency of eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin working efficiency may loss in this disability. It means senses do not work properly. And the other impairment such as respiratory disorder, blindness, and sleeping disorder, which limits other facts of daily living, are also included in physical disability. Thank you so much. These were the topic of the day. Have a good day. Bye.